Hello guys, welcome. Welcome back on a technological fair. Let's learn and watch with practical in this tutorial how to fix stop code DPC or watchdog violations. Error in any operating system, either it is Windows 10, Windows 11, Windows 7, 8.1. Don't worry guys. When your PC ran into a problems and needs to a restart, demanding just go for Run as Administrations. This tool, PassFab Fix Window 12. This tool is specially designed to fix various kind of the error and issues on any operating system. Just like here, as we see, when your PC is stuck on a startup, update loop or blue or black screens, or operating system is not found. Just go for Create Boot Disk now. Just you have to insert one USB pen drive in your PC or laptop and just go for create. So it will automatically detect here pen drive. Here you have to select operating system, on what operating system you have to work or you have to fix. It's a Windows 11 here. Now just we will click on the next. So it will create one bootable flash pen drive like that. Right now I have already created for saving time guys. So now I'm not going to here continue because I have already created. I would like to show you here. Now see this pen drive I have created. So here now just we will close and we will see the practically how it's effective works guys. Let me cancel. To know more detail, you can visit on this website, that is a passfab.com. There are so many software as well as tool that have been developed by especially this website, and there is a discount also and free trial you can approach also by one clicks, as well as I will give you discounted link also below the description box if you're interested to have it. So now here just we will go for here to restart this ones. Let me, and here we have to choose a specific key, boot menu key button or key here. So this laptop belongs to SP. So as we see, I have selected F9. Different laptop and different computer has a specific key. Now we have to scroll down. We have to select here SP pen drives. So UEFI I have created. So now just I will select this one, and as we see here, it has started to load file here guys. It's working very effectively, and the various kind of issues that can be fixed guys within 5 to 10 minutes guys. So now see it has started to load file. Just wait 1 minute is scarcely, and we will have a just like new operating systems. Yes, done. So how quickly it's work guys. Now see configurations. Yes, we have done one operating system like that here. See, yes. First and foremost here, now see what we have to do here guys. Firstly we will have to fix a resolution. So just I will click on and scroll down, we will go for auto. Now see, you have to do nothing, just go for auto repair and it will fix all kind of the issues guys. No need to do anything guys. Either it is a stop code DPC problem, watchdog violations, error in any operating system, just go for automated repair. Just you need to click here. But before clicking here guys, I would like to show you, if you would like to reset a password especially of your user ID and the login, yes, just go for start and you will get opportunity to As well as if you would like to recover software key, this can be also possible by clicking on here. Spontaneously, if you would like to go for data recovery, of course this can be also possible. Either it is from the erased data by mistake, or recover file corrupted partition as well, if you would like to recover file lost due to virus attack, yeah, as well as the support data recovery from the multiple disk format, as well as lot of the feature, guys. And see, partition disk as well as the backup restore. Yes, wipe data. If you would like to wipe out completely all the data from any PC or laptop, that can be by one click here, guys, on it. Yes, you can. And categorically, especially also you can wipe out the data. But right now, just I would like to have fix. So here, see, startup is also here now. See, and with especially command format also, that we can. Here just what we will do, go for auto repair it. So now see here, it's saying that where what's drive that you would like to repair. Now see here, so it's a C drive, so of course we will go for it here. So now see, it's saying that selected doesn't